Trying to make sense of WhatsApp API pricing? We've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through how it works so everything clicks by the end. Unlike the WhatsApp Business app, which is free, the WhatsApp Business platform, also known as WhatsApp API, comes with some costs. Let's break down the cost of using WhatsApp API for your business. Getting WhatsApp API is free, but since it doesn't come with a built-in interface, you'll need to connect it to a conversation management platform to handle messages and calls. For a smoother setup, it's best to get both API access and messaging platform from a single WhatsApp Business solution provider. Meta only charges for outgoing messages and calls, but some providers may add extra fees like conversation markups, setup fees, or maintenance charges. Always check what's included. Let's start with message pricing, and we'll cover calling right after. To make sense of WhatsApp API message pricing, there are a few key concepts to know. First, it's always free to receive messages from customers. The next concept to understand is message templates. Message templates are pre-approved messages from Meta used to start conversations with customers. They are required to initiate chats, but can also be sent during ongoing conversations. There are three types of message templates: marketing for promotions and offers, authentication for things like OTPs, utility for reminders, updates, and notifications. Each template message has a different cost based on the type of message, the country code of the recipient's number, the number of template messages you sent that month. The more messages you send of the same type, the lower the rates. These volume discounts don't apply to marketing template messages and be set monthly. The only exception to these charges is utility templates. They're free to send if a customer service window is open. So, what is a customer service window? When a customer sends you a message, it does one of two things. It opens a 24-hour customer service window, or if a window is already open, it refreshes its duration for another 24 hours. While this customer service window is open, you can send them free-form messages or utility template messages for free. Free-form messages are the kind you type out with no specific format or structure. This is also the only time you are allowed to send free-form messages. Think of the customer service window as a 24-hour session where you get to actually chat with customers. Compared to Meta's previous conversation-based model, which had businesses tracking which conversation windows were active to avoid extra charges, this is a walk in the park to understand. Let's go through an example conversation to see how WhatsApp API message pricing works. Imagine you send a marketing message to a customer that's a paid template. Later, you send them another marketing template. That's another charge. A few days go by and the customer finally replies. When that happens, a customer service window opens, giving you 24 hours to send free-form and utility messages without charge. If the customer stops replying, the window closes after 24 hours. To reach out again, you need to send a template message. You choose a utility template to follow up. This one is charged since the window had closed. Finally, the customer replies again. This reopens the window and you're back to 24 hours of free messaging. In total, here's what you paid for: 2 marketing message templates, 1 utility template message. Everything else, free because it was sent within the customer service window. If you'd like to estimate how much it would cost your business to use WhatsApp Business API, check out our pricing calculator, link in the description below. Now that you've learned about the pricing, you might be wondering, do I have to spend money every time I want to chat with a customer on WhatsApp? Well, not exactly. By using the call to action buttons on your Facebook page or click to WhatsApp ads, you can take advantage of free entry points. These get customers to message you first, so you can reply for free with free-form or utility messages. The best part is, if you respond within the first 24 hours, the customer service window extends to 72 hours instead. Getting customers to message you first is a great way to keep your WhatsApp costs low. If you want to use WhatsApp API for calls, you need a conversation management platform that supports WhatsApp Business Calling API. Just like with messages, all incoming calls are free, save money by getting users to call you. Outgoing calls are charged a fixed cost per minute, depending on the recipient's country code. Now you know the costs involved for WhatsApp API, let's talk about the best conversation management platform for the job. Remember earlier when we discussed about getting a WhatsApp Business solution provider to help you with your WhatsApp API access, messaging, and calling needs? There are many providers out there, but if you want a fast, reliable, and efficient solution, try Respond.io. With Respond.io, you can get quick and easy API access and start messaging or calling customers fast. Its omni-channel inbox allows you to manage customer conversations from multiple messaging and voice channels in one place. So not only can you use WhatsApp API text and voice on the same platform, you can also connect other channels like TikTok, Instagram, Messenger, Telegram, and more. all while leveraging advanced AI and automation tools. Unlike other BSPs, Respond.io offers transparent pricing with no hidden fees. And if you're still unsure whether WhatsApp API is right for you, our platform lets you test it using the same phone number you're already using with WhatsApp Business app. Want to lower messaging costs, scale your conversations, and turn WhatsApp into a powerful sales and marketing channel? Sign up with Respond.io and get started today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more updates. And as always, keep the conversation going on Respond.io.